students, let's begin with the mind map of circulatory system. This is Rajni here from Skills Coaching. Now let's begin. Circulatory system is the system which exactly work on the transporting of material into the body. And the connective tissue that we use here is blood. Blood contains plasma, and plasma contains erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Erythrocytes carry red blood corpuscles. It carries hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carry oxygen and makes oxyhemoglobin and transfers oxygen to various parts of our bodies. Leukocytes are the soldiers of the body. They fight with the foreign particles which enters into the body. And platelets is very important. जब हमें कहीं चोट लग जाती है and the blood oozes out, so it has to stop. And there comes the role of platelets. तो वहाँ पर platelets इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं और जो blood है वो coagulate हो जाता है, जम जाता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम में तीन चीज़ें हैं, दैट इज हार्ट, लिम्फ एंड नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. Heart is a pumping organ which pumps the blood into the body. Lymph is the one which carry fats from intestine and it contains plasma, blood cells and proteins into it. Now what is the path of lymph? Lymph travels which all places into the body are intercellular spaces, lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic vessels, lymphatic veins, and it drains the fluid into the blood. Now network of blood vessels have arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Arteries generally they have oxygenated blood and veins they have deoxygenated blood. Now let's go for double circulatory system. What exactly it is? Double circulatory system means, like you can see in the figure, half of the portion is carrying oxygenated blood and other half of the portion is carrying deoxygenated blood. That is, this part is having more of carbon dioxide, this part is having more of oxygen. अभी हार्ट चार चैम्बर्स होते हैं, दो ऑरिकल्स होते हैं और दो वेंट्रिकल्स होते हैं. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी और पल्मोनरी वेन जनरली अपने बिहेवियर से ऑपोजिट वर्क करते हैं. यहाँ पर लंग्स से पल्मोनरी वेन ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करती है एंड इट लीव्स इट इनटू लेफ्ट एट्रियम. Left atrium provides the blood to left ventricle and from left ventricle aorta it takes the blood with oxygen to different part of the body in different tissues and organs. After that मेटाबॉलिज्म के बाद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जनरेट होता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ब्लड वेना केवा के जरिए राइट ऑरिकल में देती है, राइट ऑरिकल वेंट्रिकल को देता है and it goes back to the lungs via pulmonary artery. Now, this is how the circulatory system work. These veins are having valves in it. The valves protect the blood for backflow. Blood कभी भी पीछे की तरफ मूव नहीं कर सकता. हार्ट में भी valves होते हैं और veins में भी valves होते हैं. Always blood carries a pressure that is called as blood pressure, and this is the force exerted by the blood. The normal blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg, and this higher one 120 is systolic blood pressure and the lower one 80 is diastolic blood pressure. And the instrument which is used to measure blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. Anemia is a state where the person is short of blood. Generally, red blood corpuscles are short and that's why anemia happens. So now let's go for the difference of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery and veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Lumen is narrow in arteries. Lumen is the जो खाली हिस्सा होता है ब्लड वेसल के अंदर जहाँ से ब्लड ट्रैवल करता है, दैट इज ल्यूमेन, एंड इट इज वाइड इन वेन्स. Arteries are thick-walled, veins are thin-walled. In arteries, blood flows with high pressure, and in veins, it travels in low by low pressure. It carries blood always from heart, and in veins, carry blood towards the heart. In arteries, there are no valves, but in veins, valves are very much present. Now, what is systolic pressure? Pressure of blood in the artery when heart pumps. जब हार्ट पंप करता है ब्लड को, पंपिंग के वक्त जो प्रेशर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर. एंड डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर इज प्रेशर इन द हार्ट ट्रीज बिटवीन हार्ट बीट्स. हार्ट बीट जब होती है, दो हार्ट बीट्स के बीच में जो प्रेशर आर्टरीज के अंदर बनता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर. Now, if you have liked the video, you please share it with others and subscribe the channel. You can also call me on 9871 994879. You can also download Skills Coaching app from Play Store for detailed uh, descriptions and live classes and doubts and assignments, etc. Thank you very much. See you soon.